Welcome to our comprehensive guide on supervisory certification. This professional training program is designed to elevate your leadership skills and advance your career in management. A supervisor is a professional responsible for overseeing team operations and fostering personnel development. Core responsibilities include team leadership, quality assurance, resource allocation, staff training, policy implementation, and effective communication between management and staff. The certification is issued by the National Board for Professional Supervisory Standards. Eligibility requirements include a bachelor's degree or equivalent, 2 years of professional experience, current supervisory employment, and a clean professional record. 40 hours of pre-exam coursework is required. The exam consists of 150 multiple-choice and scenario-based questions covering all 8 core competency domains. You'll have 3.5 hours to complete the computer-based test at authorized centers, with a passing score of 75% required. The exam is divided into 3 sections with a 15-minute break. Pace yourself at approximately 1.4 minutes per question. Results are available immediately upon completion, with your official certificate mailed within 2 weeks. The passing score is 75%, or 113 correct answers out of 150. The exam covers 8 domains with varying weights. High-priority areas include leadership and team management at 17%, communication skills at 13%, and performance management at 15%. Medium-priority topics include workplace safety, conflict resolution, and strategic planning. Lower-weighted areas are ethics and resource management. Essential supervisory skills include active listening, effective delegation, coaching abilities, sound decision-making, conflict resolution, time management, adaptability, accountability, strategic thinking, and cultural awareness. Mastering these competencies is crucial for exam success. Here's a sample question. An employee consistently arrives 15 minutes late but refuses to provide details about personal issues. As a supervisor, what's your first action? Consider your approach carefully. The correct answer is B. Schedule a private conversation to understand the situation. Effective supervisors demonstrate empathy and gather facts before taking action. This approach respects the employee's dignity, shows genuine concern, and allows you to understand circumstances that may require accommodation, following progressive discipline principles and legal considerations. Supervisory certification applies across diverse settings: corporate offices for team coordination and project oversight, manufacturing facilities for floor supervision and quality control, healthcare for clinical supervision and patient care, and retail environments for customer service and inventory management. Supervisors must ensure regulatory compliance with OSHA workplace safety standards, EEO laws, FLSA regulations, ADA requirements, and FMLA administration. Safety protocols include emergency response procedures, hazard identification, PPE enforcement, incident investigation, safety training documentation, and regular workplace inspections. Professional skills essential for client interactions include clear communication, active problem solving, emotional intelligence, a customer service mindset, and relationship building. These competencies ensure positive outcomes and establish trust with internal and external stakeholders. Core ethical principles include integrity, fairness, transparency, confidentiality, and accountability. Professional conduct requires avoiding conflicts of interest, reporting unethical behavior, respecting workplace diversity, maintaining professional boundaries, and upholding organizational values at all times. Effective preparation combines individual and group methods. Study official materials, create practice scenarios, use spaced repetition, and take timed practice tests. Join study groups, discuss case studies, role-play scenarios, and quiz each other. We recommend 8 to 12 weeks of dedicated preparation. Certification is valid for 3 years and requires renewal through a recertification application, a $150 fee, and 45 continuing education units. CEUs must include leadership development, industry-specific training, compliance updates, and elective professional development through conferences or online courses. Remember these key facts: 150 questions, 3.5 hours, 75% passing score, 8 core domains, 3-year validity, and 45 CEUs for renewal. Success factors include comprehensive study, time management, focused practice, peer collaboration, and persistence. Ready to ace your supervisory certification exam? Visit PracticeTestGeeks.com for comprehensive practice tests, study materials, and expert preparation resources. Our platform offers hundreds of practice questions that mirror the actual exam format, detailed explanations for every answer, and personalized study plans to target your weak areas. Join thousands of successful candidates who trusted PracticeTestGeeks.com to achieve their certification goals. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial today. You can also scan the QR code on screen to access our complete study package instantly. Begin your journey to supervisory excellence now.